your pet. What should I name him? Scout? Nah, just kidding. You know what? Let's try and name him Nugget. 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 I'm gonna go with the next one I get. Yeah! Surprise, surprise. Nugget must be a mister. Oh. He's going to be the mister. He's going to be the mister we've all been wanting. We have to feed him. Oh, look at the cute little baby chicken. This is a very peaceful chicken game. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. Now we can go on the bike. Yay! Come on, let's take a ride, Chicky. This is definitely peaceful. Definitely peaceful.
Johnny, yeah? When was the first time you heard a naughty word? First time I heard a naughty word was when I was a child. I heard it from the chickens. Me granny, she went wild. At first, now this is chicken talk.